Central Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen from Spring Branch and Canyon Lake to Wimberley and Dripping Springs. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will radar, streets, and underpasses.
Shoot, let me check.
This includes the following streams and drainage. Is in the works of Mexico as a series of upper-level display Creek, Yorks Creek, Swine Creek, Guadalupe River, Bear Creek. Branch Creek, Swine Creek, Guadalupe River.
Oh yeah.
Dry Coma.
Before I do forget.
Blanco River, York Creek, Cypress Creek, Purgatory Creek, Yorks Creek, Swine Creek, Guadalupe River, Bear Creek, Cedar Fork, Plum Creek, Sing Creek,
KWED.
Elm Creek, Mountain Creek, Sorrel Creek, Rebecca Creek, Schultz Creek. To recognize the danger.
Alright, it's finished.
American story.
Don't sit.
Not even sedition.
Let's see if 970.
My generation.
Nope.
Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with the chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Not yet.
Safety alert. Safety alert.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for flood warning for northeastern Coleman County. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain has fallen from Spring Branch. Additional rainfall
Why have they not toned it?
Storms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Storms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations in Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Bulverde, Wood Creek, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Bulverde, Wood Creek, Fisher, Smithson Valley, Spring Branch, Settler, Starkville, and Hay City. This includes the following streams and drainages: West Fort Tricomau Creek, Onion Creek, Spring Branch, Halifax Creek, Cypress Creek, Purgatory Creek, Yorks Creek, Swine Creek, Guadalupe River, Bear Creek, Cedar Fork, Plum Creek, Sing Creek, Dry Comau Creek, Carpers Creek, Elm Creek, Central Daylight Time, Doppler Creek, Elm Creek, Mountain Creek, Warren area, between 2 and 5, Smooth Creek, Dry Bear Creek, and Isaac Creek. Turn around, don't drown. PM Central Daylight Time.
Let's start because
Doppler radar
WEA.
indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen from Canyon Lake and New Braunfels to San Marcos and Kyle. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Kyle, Seguin, Canyon Lake, Martindale, Ewan, Staples, Zorn, Geronimo,
Flash flooding includes highways, streets, and underpasses.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Martindale, Inland, Freiheit,
Yeah, we got Case Hard.
and Maxwell. Turn around.
Safety alert. Safety alert.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Caldwell County, Southeast Central Old County, North Central Guadalupe County, Southeastern Hays County, until Central Daylight Time. At 11:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen from Canyon Lake and New Braunfels to San Marcos and Kyle. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Flash flooding.
Source, radar.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets,
Flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Braunfels, San Marcos, Kyle, Seguin, Canyon Lake, Martindale, Ewan,
Braunfels Regional Airport, Freiheit,
Redwood, New Braunfels Regional Airport, Freiheit, Green, San Marcos Regional Airport, Reedville, and Maxwell. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Crap. I hate the ignore feature. But okay.